Understanding and Managing Stubbornness in Children, a guide to strengthening parent-child relationships. Introduction. Why do children show stubborn behavior? Children express stubbornness for many reasons. Some resist instructions to assert their independence. Others struggle with emotional frustration, environmental stress, or unclear expectations. Instead of viewing stubbornness as defiance, parents can approach it as a way for children to communicate their emotions, needs, and frustrations. Understanding the cause behind a child's resistance allows parents to reduce conflicts, build trust, and strengthen emotional connections. By subscribing to this channel, you gain access to scientifically backed insights into child psychology, emotional development, and effective parenting strategies, helping you raise confident, emotionally intelligent, and well-balanced children while shaping a stronger, more mindful society. Section 1. Psychological and emotional causes of stubbornness. Need for autonomy and control. Children naturally seek independence. When their choices are frequently restricted, they may push back as a way to gain control over their environment. Example, instead of telling a child, "You must eat your vegetables," parents can ask, "Would you like carrots or broccoli today?" This simple choice gives children a sense of ownership over their decisions without encouraging defiance, emotional frustration, and overstimulation. When children feel overwhelmed, tired, or emotionally drained, they may resist instructions as a way to regain control of their feelings. Example, if a child refuses to do homework after a long day, instead of insisting, immediately try, "I see you had a tiring day. Would you like a snack and some rest before starting?" This validates their feelings and reduces resistance, confusion, due to inconsistent boundaries. Children feel most secure when they understand clear expectations. If rules constantly change, they may react by testing boundaries. Example, if bedtime is sometimes enforced and other times ignored, a child may refuse to go to bed. Setting a structured rule like, "You can read for 10 minutes before sleeping," instead of an unpredictable approach, helps them feel secure. Attention seeking through resistance. When children feel ignored or unheard, they may engage in stubborn behavior to regain parental focus. Example, a child repeatedly refuses to wear shoes before leaving the house. Instead of forcing them immediately, try, "I see you don't want to wear shoes. Let's find a way to make it fun. Would you like to choose which shoes to wear?" Offering playful engagement reduces conflict. Section 2. Practical strategies for managing stubborn behavior. Without conflict, using empathy. Instead of force, acknowledging a child's emotions rather than forcing immediate obedience fosters cooperation. Example, if a child refuses to leave the playground, instead of saying, "We are leaving now," try, "I know you are having fun. What is one last thing you would like to do before we go?" This technique prepares children for transitions, providing limited choices to reduce resistance. Offering structured choices allows children to feel empowered without feeling controlled. Example, if a child refuses to get dressed, instead of demanding immediate compliance, try, "Would you like to pick your outfit, or should I help you choose?" This maintains parental guidance while encouraging independence, setting clear and predictable boundaries. Children resist less when they understand what is expected of them and why. Example, instead of allowing toys during meals some days, but banning them on others, explain, "Our family rule is, we eat meals without toys, but we can play after dinner." Consistency builds understanding, using playful engagement instead of power struggles. Turning a frustrating moment into a positive interaction reduces conflict. Example, if a child refuses to brush their teeth, instead of saying, "You have to brush your teeth now," try, "Can you race me to finish brushing first?" Games help children feel involved and motivated, encouraging problem solving instead of command based parenting. When children feel included in solving problems, they resist less. Example: if a child refuses to clean up, instead of saying, "Clean your toys, now try. These toys need to be put away. Where do you think each one belongs?" This turns a demand into an interactive process. Section 3: Strengthening parent-child connection to reduce stubbornness. Children show less extreme stubbornness when they feel emotionally connected, respected, and understood. Strengthening parent-child relationships leads to healthier cooperation and fewer power struggles. Ways to reinforce this connection: daily moments of uninterrupted listening and engagement, using collaborative problem solving instead of strict commands, teaching self-regulation skills for frustration management, respecting a child's perspective rather than forcing obedience, giving structured independence to nurture confidence. When children feel secure, valued, and emotionally connected to their parents, they reduce defensive behaviors and learn healthier emotional responses. Conclusion: managing stubbornness with understanding. Instead of force, stubbornness is not an issue to be solved with control. Instead of reacting with frustration, parents can use empathy, structured guidance, and positive reinforcement to help children develop cooperation, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. When children feel heard, respected, and included in decisions, they reduce reactive defiance and show greater problem-solving skills, emotional regulation, and self-awareness. For viewers who seek science-backed guidance on managing stubbornness, strengthening parent-child communication, and fostering emotional development, subscribing to Seeds of Tomorrow provides expert insights into raising emotionally strong, confident, and well-balanced children.